everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we're talking about something really cool, how Tesla uses edge computing in its smart cars. This is a game changer in the automotive industry. If you like technology, you'll definitely want to hear this. It's fascinating how these advancements are shaping our future. First, let's break down what edge computing actually is. Simply put, it's like bringing the brains of the operation closer to where the action is. Imagine having a mini data center right inside your device. Instead of sending information to a faraway cloud, it processes it right there on the device. This reduces latency and speeds up decision-making. For Tesla, this means the car does the thinking itself. It doesn't have to wait for instructions from a distant server. Why is this so important? Well, let's dive into the benefits. First off, it makes things much faster. Speed is crucial when it comes to driving. Imagine your Tesla needs to avoid something quickly, like a person or another car. Every millisecond counts. If the information had to travel to the cloud and back, it would take too long. This delay could be dangerous. By processing information instantly, the car can react much quicker. But that's not all. There are more advantages to this technology. Teslas collect tons of information from their cameras and sensors. This data is crucial for the car's performance. Processing this information in the car means less internet traffic and saves resources. It's more efficient and eco-friendly. So, how does Tesla manage to do all this? The secret lies in a special computer inside the car. This computer is called the FSD computer, short for Full Self-Driving Computer. It's the brain behind Tesla's edge computing. This computer is built to handle all the edge computing tasks. It's incredibly powerful and efficient. It looks at the camera images, understands what the sensors are saying, and makes decisions for self-driving all in real time. This is what makes Tesla's self-driving capabilities so advanced. Another cool thing is updates. Tesla cars are always improving. Tesla sends updates to its cars through the internet, making them better and safer. These updates can include new features, improvements, and bug fixes. Edge computing helps install these updates easily. The car can process and apply updates without needing to rely heavily on external servers. So, your Tesla gets smarter over time, just like a phone. This continuous improvement is a huge advantage, and don't forget about safety. This is a top priority for Tesla. With edge computing, important information stays in the car, making it harder for hackers to steal it. This adds an extra layer of security. This keeps the car and the people inside safer. It's peace of mind for Tesla owners. So Tesla's clever use of edge computing makes their cars safer, faster, and more efficient. It's a win-win for everyone. It's really amazing technology, and it's exciting to see what it will do for cars in the future. The possibilities are endless. That's all for today. We just explained Tesla's edge computing magic. It's a fascinating topic that shows how far technology has come. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content.